see the way economy dey. You know say with the way fuel price dey now, gone are the days where you go on drive comot, you go come out, come first warm your car. No fuel for that warming. Once you put key, au revoir. This economy be like this. Irresponsible man, no know anything God do for am. Because you go even go your junior sister wedding, family go contribute your transport, so you go use go back. Still give you food stuff from the wedding. I mean, they say, a shower way in landlord, now humanizer, I don't know anything God do for am. Because you're not going to pay with cash. Church, oh my guy, go this Sunday now because of fuel. They no agree on gent to church food. Pastor say make everybody on their touch, Baba. Guy, this show, bro, I never suffer like this before. You know the way things dey now, you get the way you go lodge for hotel, then go say make everybody come for reception, come watch TV. Say na small gen they on. Is that bad oh? My experience for this show, you get one chairman. You are in table day. Once I put coming soon of my show, now in the first buy table. This year. And that chairman tell me, so boy, you know say, I did for you. If you want to pick anybody for airports, I go help you do running around. Say, you know, so I get 2 cars, I go fuel them. Anything where you want, that day oh. You know the way you dey finish, you know the way you dey post your show. You know the chairman then get attitude, then get character. If you send BC, this big man, they need to reply. You know, anytime where anyone you post, in repost, just know say don't broke. Because they don't really get that time, bro. They don't really. And you know that once you do show like this, or chairman promise you money, you can greet them every time for WhatsApp. Where young money? If you know how many good money, sir. Why send this young money? Baba, he no be saying this year, he busy. Send anything he post, I go like. Anything he post, I go say nice one. He come post one, WhatsApp, they hang on, the thing never really show that right nice one. I don't know say na in frame, mama will die. Because you know what in the beat to make pikin sleep. I did not pikin house one day and I was opportune to be with him, his son, and his wife. He said, don't pikin will come out like this, or come out of them all. They don't pikin, they fear them for the town. See, like to make pikin sleep, they don't pikin, they do like small pikin. Choo choo boo boo. Boo boo choo choo. Tun 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 tun. Ten ten boo boo. Boo boo. I said, now why can't be this? This stress is much, oh, bro. No. You can't be like, say, this marriage thing. I'm not still marry this marriage. I know. Anyways, I will do it. Because when I deserve awards, I swear. Talking about award, now one of the things why I hate pass for this life. Awards. All those comedy award, hip TV award. Because now scam. Both who they give and who then they give. No, now how they go call you now? For example, this is an awards house. They can call you now. Say the best comedian of the year 2024 goes to a cappella. You can say, you can come out, collect the award. Can say, I wasn't expecting this. Now you bath where come sit down for front. You need to expect that now you sew new suits, do hair. Wear bling bling, my brother. Now wow. Now let me talk to the girls. Those days, and now don't change. I beg girls, wanna tell us what will be the real sign of green lights? Because before once you and get there, she dey drink with happiness, she need a look time. She can't tell you, can't tell her say you're going home with me. She agree. On her reach house, she won't bath, say I need something to change into. It don't work. Then, Baba now, hey, that guy go there your front, smoke shisha, smoke codeine, smoke everything. On her go reach out, she feed naked for 15 minutes, they drink Hennessy from your bar. Still go bath, come out, if you touch and go slap your hand. See, this is what I came here for. Let me just book my Uber now. Because you know what in a bit to make pikin sleep. I did not pikin house one day and I was opportune to be with him, his son, and his wife. He said, don't pikin go come out Nigeria, come out of them all. They don't pikin, they fear them for the town. See, like to make pikin sleep, they don't pikin, they do like small pikin. Choo choo boo boo. Boo boo choo choo. Tun 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 tun. Tin tin boo boo. Boo boo. I said, now why can't be this? This stress is much, oh bro. No. You can't be like, say, this marriage thing. I should like to still marry this marriage. I know. Anyways, I will do it. Because when I deserve awards, I swear. Talking about award, now one of the things why I hate pass for this life. Awards. All those comedy award, hip TV award. Because now scam. Both who they give and who then they give. No, now how they go call you now? For example, this is an awards house. They can call you now. Say the best comedian of the year 2024 goes to a cappella. You can say, you can come out, collect the award. Can say, I wasn't expecting this. Now you back where come sit down for front. You didn't expect that. Now you sew new suits, do hair. Remember when we small, when we be teenager, as young boys, for like 6 months, you go get condom for your wallet. You never see opportunity to use them. That one feel boss, where you sit down on top, boss. You go buy another 2 boots. You never see opportunity to use them. Now that we are ready, you know if you knock for 6 months, you never see opportunity to use condom.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.